Hey peeps, in today's video we'll be making lots of custom designed keychains with the Monport Mega S 70W CO2 laser. If you're interested in any Monport machine, you can use our discount code Anonymous10 for 10% off your purchase. Two of the designs we'll be using were made for these keychains, but the projector design was made for another project if you're interested in checking that video out. The first thing we want to do is trace all of our designs. Then we'll change our designs to be a fill instead of a line and resize the traced images. Next, we're going to ungroup our images, select their edge, and add an offset. This offset will be turned into the line that cuts out the keychains. Also, we'll make sure to put the offset on a different layer and change it to a line. Now we're going to create the hole for the keychain, and we can do this by merging circles with the design. We'll make sure to complete the process we did on the projector design to the other ones. Next, we'll just group the individual pieces of each design back together. Now that the laser is turned on, we'll connect the computer to it and update or overlay with the Mega's built-in camera. Since we now can see the space we're working with, we'll go ahead and copy and paste our designs. Another way to create multiples of your design is to utilize the grid array tool. We also changed our setting to our machine filling groups together instead of it just going back and forth. Additionally, to achieve the best results we can, we decided to ungroup our film strip design and change the text to 1 in LightBurn. We just had to group everything and duplicate the design back again. And now here's the settings we'll be using to engrave and cut out our keychains with the Mega S laser. So let's go ahead and frame our design out and start the engraving. Now that the keychains are done, we'll wash them off with water and stain them. I think the keychains turned out really cool, and we really like how big of an engraving space we get with the Mega S laser. If you want more information on how to use and set up the laser, make sure to check out our other Mega videos. Also, if you're interested in purchasing any Monport machine, make sure to use our discount code Anonymous10 for 10% off at checkout. Thank you so much for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it.